Dewan Hakim yang kami muliakan, inilah mufassir dengan nomor peserta TF 324. Kepada Dewan Hakim penanya disilahkan.
A'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Qul kafaa billahi shahidan baini wa bainakum A'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul kafaa billahi shahidan baini wa bainakum innahu kana bi'ibadihi khabiran basira. Wa man yahdillahu fahuwal muhtad ومن يضلل فلن تجد لهم أولياء من دونه ونحشرهم يوم القيامة على وجوههم عميا وبكما وصما مأواهم جهنم كلما خبت زدناهم سعيرا. ذلك جزاؤهم بأنهم كفروا بآياتنا وقالوا أإذا كنا عظاما أإذا كنا عظاما ورفاتا أإنا لمبعوثون خلقا جديدا. أولم يروا أن الله الذي خلق السماوات والأرض قادر على أن يخلق مثلهم وجعل لهم أجلا لا ريب فيه فأبى الظالمون إلا كفورا. أفأمن الذين مكروا السيئات أن يخسف الله بهم الأرض أفأمن الذين مكروا السيئات أن يخسف الله بهم الأرض أو يأتي يأتيهم العذاب من حيث لا يشعرون أو يأخذهم في تقلبهم فما هم بمعجزين أو يأخذهم على تخوف فإن ربكم لرؤوف رحيم أولم يروا إلى ما خلق الله من شيء يتفيأ ظلاله عن اليمين والشمائل سجدا لله وهم داخرون ولله يسجد ما في السماوات وما في الأرض من دابة والملائكة وهم لا يستكبرون يخافون ربهم من فوقهم ويفعلون ما يؤمرون وقال الله لا تتخذوا إلهين اثنين إنما هو إله واحد فإياي فارهبون
ذلك بأنهم قالوا لن تمسنا النار إلا أياما معدودات
ذلك بأنهم قالوا لن تمسنا النار إلا أياما معدودات وغرهم في دينهم ما كانوا يفترون فكيف إذا جمعناهم ليوم لا ريب فيه ووفيت كل نفس ما كسبت وهم لا يظلمون قل اللهم مالك الملك تؤتي الملك من تشاء وتنزع الملك ممن تشاء وتعز من تشاء وتعز من تشاء وتذل من تشاء بيدك الخير إنك على كل شيء قدير تولج الليل في النهار وتولج النهار في الليل وتخرج الحي من الميت وتخرج الميت من الحي وترزق من تشاء بغير حساب
وإن تطع أكثر من في الأرض يضلوك عن سبيل الله
وإن تطع أكثر من في الأرض يضلوك عن سبيل الله إن يتبعون إلا الظن وإن هم إلا يخرصون إن ربك هو أعلم من يضل عن سبيله وهو أعلم بالمهتدين فكلوا مما ذكر اسم الله عليه إن كنتم بآياته مؤمنين وما لكم ألا تأكلوا مما ذكر اسم الله عليه وقد فصل لكم ما حرم عليكم إلا ما اضطررتم إليه وإن كثيرا ليضلون بأهوائهم بغير علم إن ربك هو أعلم بالمعتدين وذروا ظاهر الإثم وباطنه إن الذين يكسبون الإثم سيجزون بما كانوا يقترفون
Read Al-Quran chapter Hud verse 9 to 10.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولئن أذقنا الإنسان منا رحمة ثم نزعناها منه إنه ليئوس كفور ولئن أذقناه نعماء بعد ضراء مسته ليقولن ذهب السيئات عني إنه لفرح فخور.
Okay. what is the meaning of the following vocabularies? Naza'naha.
Naza'naha means we withdraw it.
La ya'usun kafur.
La ya'usun kafur, certainly despairing and ungrateful.
Dharra.
Dharra, ill or poverty or hardship.
As-sayyi'at.
As-sayyi'at mean bad deeds or evils.
La farihun fakhur.
La farihun fakhur, certainly exultant and boastful.
Define sabab nuzul from these verses.
According to Lubabun Nukul fi Asbabin Nuzul by Imam Jalaluddin As-Suyuti and Asbabun Nuzul by Al-Wahidi, no sabab nuzul for these two verses.
Okay, then explain the relationship between these verses and previous one.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The relationship between this verse to the previous one. In the previous ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned about the characteristic of the disbelievers. Because of that, Allah delay their punishment. And in this verse, Allah still continue about the characteristic of the human being, especially for the disbelievers.
Okay, do the tafsir please.
A'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hamdan bila ghayah wa syukran bila nihayah, amma ba'. Honorable all judges and respectable all the finalists and my loving audiences. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the previous ayah, Allah tells about the disbelievers that Allah will delay or postpone their punishment. And in this verse, Allah still continue about their characteristic. So Allah started by wala in adzaqnal insana minna rahmah. And certainly if we give the man from us the mercy. So this is the first condition when Allah give them or give the human being, the mankind, the mercy. So what is the mercy? According to Tafsir Ministry of Religious Affairs and also Tafsir Al-Munir by Professor Wahba Az-Zuhaili, mercy is like everything that Allah has given to the human being all. So Allah will give them the health, the wealth, and the house, the everything that Allah has been given to the human being means the rahmah. So the Prophet Muhammad said in his hadith, Inna lillahi mi'ata rahmah wahidatun bainal jinni wal insi wal bahim wal hawam fabiha yata'atafuna wa biha yatarahamuna wa biha yata'ataful husyu ala auladiha wa akhara tis'an wa tis'ina rahmatan yarhamu biha ibadallah yaumal qiyamah. So Allah just give to the human being in this world just one mercy, but the 99 mercies in the hereafter. So this is like a little bit that Allah has given to us the mercy. So what Allah said, thumma naza'naha min, then we withdraw the mercy from him. It means the who back to the al-insan, from the human being. We withdraw the rahmah, we withdraw the healthy, withdraw the wealth and etc.
Okay,
so
enough. Answer the question please. How do believers behave and what should they do when Allah gives them the favors according to the Quran?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. According to this verse, the behavior of these believers when Allah give them the mercy, they happy and they also ungrateful. Because Allah said in another ayah, wa idza adzaqna an-nasa rahmatan min ba'di dharra'a massathum idza lahum makrun fi ayatina qulillahu asra'u makra inna rusulana yaktubuna ma tamkurun. So they Allah the disbelievers always ungrateful, they are also happy because of Allah give them a mercy. But if Allah withdraw from that, they always be sad, always forget what Allah has given mercy for them.
Okay. And what about the believers?
What the believers? It's the contradiction with the disbelievers. When Allah give to the believers rahmah, mercy, and favor, so believers always be thankful, always be thankful to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala, because in another ayah Allah Subhanahu wa Taala said that if Allah give the believers favor, they always be grateful. La in syakartum la azidannakum wa la in kafartum inna adabi lasyadid. So because of that, we have as the Muslim people, we have to thankful to Allah for everything that Allah has given to us.
Okay. Second question. When a disaster befalls the believers, they were commanded to be patient. Explain the secret of that, and then explain also the reward from Allah for them. Then the first, explain the secret of the command to be patient, please.
Okay, Allah Subhanahu wa Taala, we have to be patient, because everything that Allah has given us the mercy or as a musibah or fitnah, so we have to be patient to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. So what should we do? We have to be patient to Allah. We have to always continue to still the good deeds. Why? Because Allah said in another ayah, the reward of the those who are patient. Allah said, "Innama yuwaffas sabiruna ajrahum bighairi hisab." And Allah will give them full, payful ajrahum, their reward bighairi hisab, never ending.
Okay, and that is the reward from Allah, because they be patient in facing
the hardship, yes, the poverty, the evils.
Okay, what lesson can you get from these verses?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The lesson that I can take from these two verses, the first lesson, and we have to obey to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. And the second one, we have to thankful to Allah for everything that Allah has given to us. And the third one, we have to avoid the characteristic of despairing and the characteristic of the ungrateful. And the fourth lesson, then if we descend the punishment or the evils or the poverty, we have to be patient to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala, because Allah will give reward for us, because of we as those who be patient. Okay, thank you, Prof.
Okay. Barakallahu fiik.
Sadaqallahul azim.